All right, example 2. Divide a positive number by a negative number. So remember, a positive times a negative, or divide, positive divided by a negative is the same as a negative by a positive, so your answer is going to be negative. All right, your steps. This one is the complex fraction, where you have a fraction over a fraction. So this is just saying 3 2/3 divided by negative 2/3. So I'm going to rewrite this as 3 2/3 divided by negative 2/3. So remember our first step, make improper. So step 1, I'm going to take that 3 2/3. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is going to be 11 over 3 divided by a negative 2/3. Our second step, find reciprocal, or not really finding it. That's kind of easy. So make second fraction reciprocal. So negative 2/3 to reciprocate, you're flipping it upside down, and then you still have 11/3 on this side. And your last step over here is turn your division to multiplication. And then lastly, multiply across. So 11 times negative 3 is negative 33. And 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, remember the negative follows the top number, so you always remember you already did it. You cannot do it on the top and the bottom, because that would be like saying negative 3 divided by negative 2, which would be a positive number. So that would change the result. So remember, the negative should always follow the numerator. So simplifying this, again, Savas will probably ask you to do that. 6 and 33 have the number 3 in common. So I'm going to divide both the top and the bottom by 3. So negative 33, I'm going to put this down here, divided by 3 will be a negative 11. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. Now remember, Savas wants a mixed number. So 2 goes into 11 5 times, because 5 times 2 is 10. So that will be a negative 5. And the difference between 11 and 10 is 1. Keep the denominator the same. I remember I will accept the negative 33 over 6, but Savas won't. So go ahead and do the 3 triads. You have a complex fraction for A, so you'll want to follow the steps from example 2. You have decimals for B, which we have not gone over. And you have C, which are 2 fractions that do not need to be changed. So for B, go ahead and use your calculator. At least for A and C, I would like you to show me how you set up your problem. Once you're done, go ahead and go on to video number 3.